Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a easy and simple door system in Unreal Engine. So what you'll be able to do is walk up to the door will open, and then once you go through the door will close. So let's get started. First thing we're going to want to do is create a new blueprint class. We're going to go actor VP_door. Now we can double click to open this. Once we're here, I'm just going to add a cube, which will make the shape of a door, but you can use your door model that you have. So let me just resize this quickly. Something like this should be fine. Next thing we're going to want to add is a box collision. Now you're going to want to make this go between the door, so kind of like this actually, which is pretty good. We just want to bring it down a bit to the ground. Let me just remove this. There we go. Something like that, that's fine. Next, we want to make sure that the box collision is not a parent, is not a child, sorry, of the cube. And finally, I am going to add a arrow, and this will serve as kind of the door hinges, because right now if you click on your door, at least for me, the transform is in the middle, which is not what we want. So I'm going to take this arrow, I'm just going to set it down where I would want my door hinges to be, and then we want to drag the cube and put it as a child of this arrow, like this. Now let's go to the event graph, click on your box collision, scroll down and go to on component begin overlap. From here, we're going to cast to your player character. So here it's the first person character. Connect the other actor to object, like that. Next, we are going to create a door timeline. So look for a timeline. I'm just going to call this door TL. Now we can double click, open. You want to add a float track. You're going to add a curve float. The time will be 0 and 0. 0, there we go. Add another key, and this will be how long? About 3 seconds, I think, and the value will be 90. And you can also change the length here to 3 seconds. So there. Now if we can see, we got our key up here and our key down here. Now you can save and go back to the event graph. From here, from the updates, we're going to look for set relative rotation, and this will be for your door mesh. So in our case will be, or actually, yeah, it'll be your door hinges. So in our case will be the arrow, like this. Now what we want to do on the new rotation here is right click and split the structure pin and connect the new track 0 to the Z axis. This is because if we look on our door, if we try to rotate it like this, we're changing the Z axis here. Okay, now once we have this, we can actually just drag our door blueprint into the scene. Maybe make it a little bit bigger, it's kind of small. Something like this. I'm just going to rotate it. There we go. So now if we play, I walk in, the door opens. So it was the wrong side, but you get the idea. So now we're just going to make it so that the door can actually close once we leave the trigger area. So for this, you're going to click again on your box collision, scroll down, look for the on component and overlap. You're going to want to copy and paste your cast to VP third person character, and then put this in other actor, and you're going to connect this node to reverse from end. So this will actually reverse it. So now if I walk in, the door opens, and if I go, the door closes. There you go. And it's the same on both sides. This side is going to push me kind of, but there. And once I leave, the door closes. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this easy and simple door tutorial in Unreal Engine 5. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys next time.